Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring adhesion. Wipe the surface with a degreaser, then remove residual dust with a tack cloth. Once dry, thin the Focus Acrylic Gloss by about 5–10% with water for easier atomization and mix gently to avoid bubbles. Hold your applicator 6–8 inches from the surface. Apply a steady, overlapping pass from one edge to the other. Maintain a wet edge so the gloss levels out. This first, thin coat creates the foundation for smooth coverage and avoids runs. Once the first coat has flashed for 10–15 minutes at room temperature, you continue by adding 2–3 additional thin coats. Make cross coats, one vertical pass then one horizontal, to promote even leveling and reduce orange peel. If you're brushing, use long, uniform strokes and feather the edges. Make sure to keep coats thin. Excessive buildup causes sagging. If contaminants or texture show up, sand lightly with 800–1000 grit before the next coat, then clean and continue. This keeps the surface. You finish by letting the gloss cure. Expect light handling in 24–48 hours and full hardness by 7 days. After cure, wet sand with 1500 then 3000 grit if needed, then polish with a fine compound for a mirror shine. If you notice orange peel or hazing, first try wet sanding and buffing. If solvent-sensitive streaks appear, wipe with a recommended solvent, let dry, and recoat one thin layer. For runs, sand back to level, clean, and apply a thin corrective coat. This restores clarity and adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.